Hello everybody and welcome to Immediate Meteorology. In this video we'll be talking about some severe weather in the Midwest and also some stuff about tornadoes that have happened in the past of this year. Before the video starts, if you like weather content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. So let's jump right in. Also, this video is going to be a little bit shorter. So here is today's categorical outlook all the way up to an enhanced risk there for Illinois and Iowa, just a little bit for Wisconsin, but besides that, only really for Illinois and Iowa. And then we have a pretty large slight risk basically covering the rest of Illinois, and then almost covering all of Indiana, the northern portion, I guess you could say, of Missouri, almost all of Iowa, and portions of it stretching into Kansas, Wisconsin, and Michigan. And then we have the marginal risk all around there, with our general thunderstorm risk spread around for almost basically all of the eastern United States. Here is our tornado outlook. Only a 2% chance, so very unlikely that a tornado will spawn in these storms. More of just a wind threat, which is what you're about to see. Sorry. Here's a 5% chance of our today's hail outlook. 5%, the lowest it can be. So not too high, but it wouldn't be too surprising if there's some maybe pea-sized hail here and there in those shaded areas. And now here is actually our wind outlook, and we have it going all the way up in those reds to 30% chance of damaging winds. And then obviously the 15% and 5% going all around, but the biggest threat is 30%, basically in the same area as where the enhanced risk is located. Now we're going to take a look at our simulated radar. Here's around now to 6 hours ahead. We have some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then as we move through tonight and the rest of the day, they move on through. Some of them actually strengthen over here and also up there. So yeah, they do strengthen a bit over there. And then we move through and they kind of fall apart and just become their own scattered areas of thunderstorms. So now for the last part of this video, I want to show you stuff about tornadoes. So here is our preliminary severe weather report database, and this is tornado reports from January 1st, 2020 until I believe 2 days ago, August 8th, 2020. We have obviously, you can see most of the reports are actually in the southeast there. We did have a whole lot of tornado outbreaks this tornado season down there. Tornado season has kind of gotten off. There hasn't been too many tornadoes. Most of them so far for this time of year have been produced by the hurricanes and tropical storms, like those red areas you see there for North Carolina and South Carolina. Those were spawned from Hurricane Isaias. I suggest you go check out my video talking about the 4 quadrants of a hurricane, and I also tell you where you can expect tornadoes to be in a hurricane or tropical cyclone. So as we were saying with the southeast, a lot of tornadoes there, especially there for Mississippi, there for Alabama, obviously, Georgia, South Carolina, and that's really where it stops. And then obviously for Tornado Alley, we have those here and there. But surprisingly, this year's tornado season has really kicked off for the southeast. Finally, here is our tornado reports for each month. So you can see the highest we have, like crazy highest we have, is in April, going out of this chart right here. It's going over 100. It's going out of this chart, even out of this image. A whole lot of tornado reports in really the beginning to mid of April, so basically during the Easter outbreak. And then middle of April, it was a little more calm, and by end of April, it started to pick up a little bit more. Surprisingly, if you look at January, we actually had 50 tornado reports in January. Well, technically over 50, but the highest it got to. February didn't have too much. Same with March, but it was still kind of steady. And then May, there was quite a lot, mainly from the middle to the end, because the beginning of May was very quiet. June, decent amount, usual amount that we would see, since it is kind of wrapping off, ending off tornado season. Same with July there, and so far in August there has been quite a lot. But that's because of Hurricane Isaias and all the tropical storms that have hit. Now with that, I thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. Today is Monday. Next time I'm uploading is Wednesday, so I will see you all then. Bye bye.